Welcome back to Nini's Eats. I'm your girl Nini. This is
Nate.
And this is
Nizel.
And today, you guys, we are doing the 2-liter no burp challenge.
Ooh.
So, if you are a regular with me, you know that I have already done this challenge, and I would have to say that I did pretty good. But these two guys, which you guys know, love to challenge me. So, they challenged me again. We're going to see who lasts the longest, because we already know we're not going to be able to do this whole 2-liter soda without burping. So, we're going to see who can go the longest, because they feel like I didn't do good enough. They feel they can do better than me. So, let's see. So, let's get this show on the road.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. We'll be right back.
Oh.
Take 2. You guys ready?
Yeah.
1. So again, the rules are to drink at least 1 liter without burping, but you have to finish the whole 2 liters. Here we go. Are you marked?
Get
Get
set.
set, go.
What? Gosh. I'm not even halfway. Please don't burp. Please don't burp.
Oh, what was that?
This challenge is no joke.
Oh.
I felt like you drank a lot, but you didn't.
I couldn't do it though.
I didn't need a burp.
I already did.
Your mom lost. Hell.
Oh, that felt so much better. So it's out of these 2 now. They actually beat me. That sucks. I think it's because I just got done. And for any of you who just got done watching my live, I just got done
That much.
eating
more.
ice cream and cookies, and I don't know. That hurt. I had to burp.
Oh,
How far are you?
It's like I can't burp. My stomach hurts.
It hurts.
Yeah,
I know.
My
but
stomach just
It's
hurts.
gonna be major when it comes out the lunch. Ah! But you gotta finish the whole liter, so I gotta finish my
I'm
whole
right
liter.
here. So I don't know if you guys can see it.
Take
but
your-
You see it where the S is at? Where the lemon is?
Do that.
The
Oh.
green part? That's where I'm at.
Don't burp, don't burp, don't burp. Hold it in, hold it in, hold it in.
I can't burp. It hurts. I can't burp.
I can't. We
It
don't
won't
feel the
come
burp.
out.
We feel our stomach hurting.
Oh, Nathan won!
I
You
won!
yelled in my ear!
I won! Oh, yeah.
I couldn't do it.
Woo! I won.
You still have to finish your 2 liter though.
No, no.
I didn't burp though.
Oh.
I can't rip it. Do your own thing.
I won. I still won. I'm the last one.
That's gross.
I still won.
None of us made it to a liter though. None of us made it to a half to a liter. None of us. Nathan, take your thing off.
Woo. That hurt.
I still have to drink though.
Look, you guys.
That really.
Remember last time when I said this looks
Gosh,
like?
That really hurt.
I'm sitting here drinking 40s with my boys.
Please.
That's what gross is all up in my ear. Okay, come on, let's finish this challenge though.
Okay. I'm trying to rip it off, you guys. Hold on. Wait for me.
You want me
Well,
to
no,
do
you
it?
guys can go. Go
I'm
ahead.
gonna do it.
I got teeth for a reason.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna change the rules. Whoever can finish their 2 liter first.
Oh, I got that.
This is the second challenge.
Alright,
Okay,
so,
so
you
So
guys
the
can-
first
I can't
one,
do that.
Nathan won because he held out the longest on the burp, and now it's who can finish their 2 liter first.
Alright, let's check you guys' sizes. So, Mom and me and Mom have the same one.
Like,
So,
wow.
it's higher. Alright, here we go.
Let's finish now. Who can finish first? You can burp if you have to. Don't hurt yourself. Don't get sick.
I can't do it. Oh my god.
Oh, excuse me.
Almost done.
Oh shit.
Ew! I saw that! Ew! Ew! It was Julie.
That one came from woo! Oh, so funny. Look, he's holding in a burp. I can feel one coming.
Oh my gosh.
You guzzled that.
Oh my
shit.
gosh,
You
look
guzzled
at that.
Who can do the deepest and
Look
longest
at them and
burp?
look at me.
I'm almost done.
I thought.
Who can do the deepest and longest burp?
So far, I did the best one.
What?
No,
No, it was
no, that one you did a minute ago.
Start
My
it
ear was
out.
pretty bad.
Well, hold
Pretty
it.
bad.
Well, hold it. Hold it for a good minute. Chug it all the way down for 1 minute. And then see who burps the longest and the deepest. That didn't sound right.
That's what she said.
Oh, you guys suck.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Did you just spit on my floor? Okay, he's out. Bye, Felicia. Clean that up. Okay, now you're being silly.
That sounded right.
Look at my face too.
That's how it feels. Though.
So, yeah, I didn't make a dent.
My stomach hurts. Oh shit, he's gonna win.
I'm almost done.
No, no, no.
So I'm gonna win 2 times. Watch. Dang, still not coming out. Dang.
When it comes out, that's gonna be funny. Excuse me.
Ow. I'm trying to burp, but I can't get there. I'm almost done.
No, but yours is deceiving because it has that part. Watch. Don't poop your pants. Seriously.
Say that.
Here you go.
That's gross. He spit up. Ew. Oh. Can you do your ABCs? Oh. Holy sh!
Ow. Ow. That really hurt.
Nathan, I'll give it to you. I can't do that. Look at him doing it. Woo! Don't do that. What's
Wow!
He did that. Look at all these 40s, y'all. Oh my goodness.
I can't even finish mine.
Oh, my stomach hurts.
Your stomach hurts. I finished it.
I almost finished mine.
Yeah, I win.
Oh my gosh, my stomach hurts. That was fun though.
I win 2 times.
Nathan
Told you I was
is
better.
officially the burping king. I'll let him have that one. He can have that one.
It's because Sprite's my favorite soda, so you know, yeah.
He can have that one. I'll let him be the burping king.
I did it. I beat it.
All right, y'all.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Ow, ow.
See you guys later. Take care. Good night. Or good morning. Depends on when I drop this video. Look, got soda all over my sweater.
Oh, I still did.
Wow.
Ooh, look at me.
That was fun.
Did the whole
My
thing.
stomach hurts.
Wow!
Love you guys. Take care. Don't drink and drive. I will see you guys in the morning, tomorrow. I don't know. I can't think. See you guys later. Bye.